Hey, what's up, roses? I'm Cashay, and this is my channel. Welcome back to another video. Bad. Don't do that no more. Don't do that no more. I thought it would be fun to do a nice finger coiling to tangle. Finger coiling. I thought it would have been nice. I thought it would have been nice to do a finger coiling tutorial because I haven't done that in like years. And you know, what better time than now since we have all the time in the world? You know, I already got the makeup on. I'm doing a green look today and it is cute. Like, how the hell did I even do this? But you know, I have to match it with the green shirt, looking cute. I know you guys are really ready to get into this video already, but before you start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Come on, be a part of the Rose Gang. That's what we do. You ready? Let's go. All right, so let's get started. So first thing first is we're gonna have to part our hair into sections. It just makes it way easier to get all the coils where you want it to be and just rake in all that product in. And I'm so sorry for the grogginess of my voice. Like, I just woke up and I'm like, I need to finish this. So you're gonna put away the rest of your hair so it's not gonna get entangled in your other entanglements. I'm just using this spray to just wet down my hair and help it easily get finger detangle. But literally in that bottle, I only have like castor oil, aloe vera, and like coconut oil. Yeah, and I'm using these other two products. One is for a leave-in conditioner and the other one is a serum for Frizz. And you already know how I feel about Eco Styling Gel. Like, sorry, not sorry, I'm never gonna stop using it. So I'm just raking the product through my hair, making sure to get all the knots out so I can have the perfect coils. And I'm gonna start by taking just a little section and twirling it around my finger. And it's holding it against my head so the coil can actually form. And that is our first coil. I know that one kind of looks kind of wavy. It's because my hair is actually really wet. But once my hair dries up, you're going to see those coils dry up for real. And we're going to continue to go piece by piece until this whole section is finished. Make sure you're going all the way down to the ends of your coils and then bringing it back up. If you don't, you're gonna have a frizzy bottom. That is it for our first section. And we're just gonna repeat this on each and every section of our hair. It's very simple and straightforward. It's just very time consuming. Go in with the spray, leave-in conditioner, serum, and gel. Mix them together, like kind of like a custard. And rake it through the hair. While I'm doing this repeatedly, I just want to ask, so how do you guys like the content? And what videos would you like to see more of? Would you like to see more hauls or more hairstyle videos? Please comment down below so I can, you know, direct that to you guys and make sure I'm giving you the people what they want. Hey, look at me. I'm like the only person that can hype myself up over voiceover. Okay, so we're still detangling And finger detangling is like the best type of detangle because that's where you get the less shed and the less breakage. I don't even think I comb out my hair, like, unless I'm like doing like a real in-depth clean, and I'm using like a small comb for that. I'm sorry, I'm listening to so much music, so don't mind my face. I'm probably talking to Alexa, but I can't play it because YouTube guidelines. I'm just going back to the other coils to make sure that they're nice and tight. And be careful not to pull hair out of other coils, because then you're going to have to just redo it all. Section by section. And this is like where my arms really just started working against me. Like, the back of the head is just a different type of vibe. And you can't see behind your head, so you really don't even know what you're doing. Taking off the shed, and it's normal, okay? You lose about 100, about 50 to 100 strands of hair each day normally, all right? If it's like 300, you have like very intense, and if it's like 500, you need to see a doctor. I'm gonna give you guys a better look. When I tell you my arms were giving up, bruh. Like, hairstyling should be like a whole Olympic sport in itself, because, bruh. So this is the first half, and it came out so nice. So now we're gonna just boop the second side on, because ain't nobody got time for that. Now our whole head is done, but it is still kind of wet. So we're gonna make it dry a little bit, fix up the other coils that haven't really formed all the way. Messed it up more. See, look at me. What are you doing? Oh, you're wetting it, Tim. make it form better. You're smart. You're a smart person. There we go. Okay, you know what you're doing. So, since this is still needs to dry a little bit, I'm going to give it kind of like another couple hours and then tune back in. Hopefully the white on my hair has disappeared and, you know, you can really see the full effect of it just coiled without being picked out. Hey roses, we're back. So it's been a little while. My hair is almost all the way dry, but not quite. But this is how the finger coils came out. I really like how it came out. Like look, look. It came out so springy and like cute. So like I'm gonna try to pick it out a little bit, but the roots are still damp, so I know on second day hair it's going to look so cute. So I'm probably gonna wait until the morning and then hopefully it's all dry and then we can separate it and make it look really, really big, okay? So I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna look different. It's okay. It's okay. That's all right. All right, so see you tomorrow. Hello. Yes, so sorry guys, this is not second day hair. This is third day hair. I completely forgot to show you it. I am so sorry. But I did this blueberry look for you guys because I'm your sweet blueberry. I just hope you guys like how it came out. I will wear it in either style, finger coil or picked out like this. It looks so cute and fluffy to me and soft. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Be part of the Rose Gang, guys. And remember, stay pretty and weird. Get it? Pretty weird.
Hey, I got muscles like Superman trainer. Hey, real.